Good morning children, welcome to English class. Okay children, in last class we have started second lesson. Write the case of the missing register. We have completed the PEP activity also children. So let's have the story part today. Everyone open your studio books page 14. Okay, see here children. When a story has a puzzle that needs to be solved, it is called a mystery story. The stories usually have clues that serve as hints to solve the mystery. Okay, what children, in PEP activity also we solved one mystery. Yes or no, they have given some clues, some hints they have given, and by using that we have find out the names of those persons, and puzzle also it's there. And what we did, we traced the way from these people to the banyan tree. Like that, when a story have this like this puzzles, okay, the story can be called as mystery story, and this mystery to be solved. Yes or no? Yes, this mystery to be solved by giving clues. Okay, some clues will be there, some hints will be there. Yes or no? By that, the mystery should be solved. Here is a story that poses a mystery. Try to solve it. Okay, what is here children? Here is a story is there in our second lesson, and in this a mystery is there. What is there? Mystery is there. So what we have to do? We have to solve it. See children, in first paragraph. Usha is the class teacher of standard 3. Students take turns to help Usha with the attendance every day. She keeps the attendance register on the top shelf of a cupboard, along with the all notebooks of the students. Okay, what is here children? Who is the class teacher of grade 3? Usha. Usha is the class teacher of standard 3, and she used to take help. Okay, she used to take help of the students to take the register. Okay, she used to take help of the students to take attendance every day. Turn wise students will help this Usha. Okay, and she keeps the attendance register on the top shelf of the cupboard. That means in our classes also we are having cupboard, no children? In that 4 or 5 shelves will be there. On the top shelf what will be there? On the top shelf she used to keep the register. Okay, and along with the students books will be there, no, in our cupboard. Like that, along with the students books she used to keep that register on the top shelf. Okay, and in first paragraph, underline the hard words children. I am telling: standard, attendance, register, cupboard, and students. Okay, 5 words children, underline. And coming to second paragraph. It was Monday morning. As Usha walked in, all the students wished her, "Good morning, ma'am." She replied, "Good morning, students. Let us first check the attendance before we begin our lesson. Simon, please get the register from the cupboard. Devi, please count the number of students present in class today." What happened children? After Sunday, Monday we all will come to class, no? Like that the students are there in the class, and after that Usha, class teacher, walked inside the class. After Usha entered in the class, all the students wished Usha, "Good morning, ma'am." And Usha also replied, "Good morning." And after that, Usha is telling like that. Okay children, before going to start our class, let's take the attendance. Okay, before going to start our class, let's take the attendance. And Simon she is asking Simon to bring the register which is there on the top shelf. Okay, top shelf lo ఉన్న register తీసుకురమ్మని Simon ని పంపించారు. And Devi, you just count how many students are present in the class. Class లో ఎంతమంది స్టూడెంట్స్ ప్రెజెంట్ అయ్యారో చెక్ చేయమని, కౌంట్ చేయమని దేవికి చెప్పారన్నమాట. Okay, that the thing happened in the second paragraph, children, and I am telling the hard words. Just underline the hard words in second paragraph. Okay? Begin, B-E-G-I-N, begin, lesson, cupboard, and present. Total 4 words you will get, children. Okay, not cupboard, count. Okay, once again I am telling, begin, lesson, count, C-O-U-N-T, count, and present. Okay, totally 4 words you will get in second paragraph. And coming to third paragraph, children, see third paragraph I am reading. Simon got up from his desk to bring the register. He stood on the tips of his toes and searched the top shelf completely. He then checked the shelves below. After looking everywhere, he said, I cannot find the register, ma'am. Okay, Simon, what he did, he will sit in his desk now. After madam asked him to bring the register, he got up from the desk and he went near to the cupboard and he checked in the top shelf for the register. On the top shelf, the register is not there. Okay, he stood like this on the tips of the toes. He stood like this and he searched on the top shelf. He did find that, and below shelves also he searched for it, but there also he cannot find the register. All shelves, all cupboard he checked, even though he did get that register. Now after checking everywhere completely, now the Simon is telling to teacher that, madam, I cannot find the register anywhere. Okay, and what happened, where this register went? Every day Usha used to keep this register on the top shelf only, but today it's not there. That means what happened, where did Usha kept, or did any student have taken that register? Where did this register went? We will see in our next class, children. And this third paragraph hard words also I am telling. Once underline those. Okay, searched completely, everywhere, once again I am telling, children, see, desk, in first line desk is there, D-E-S-K, desk, searched completely, everywhere. Total 4 words you will get in the third paragraph also. Okay, total 13 hard words are there, children, but I am not giving any homework to you because today you are having English exam only, no? So prepare well, children. These hard words we will learn in next class, children, and we will continue this story in our next class. Okay, please read these 3 paragraphs if you have time in the evening. Once read it and you will get how to read this textbook also. Okay, meet you in next class, children. Thank you. Have a nice day.